outages are likely. Location. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cowley County, eastern Sedgwick County, western Butler County, northeastern Sumner County, until 5:30 a.m. At 4:23 a.m., severe thunderstorms extended from near North Newton to near Wichita to near Viola, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Wichita, Derby, and Andover. You can expect 100 mile per hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Expect considerable damage to homes and businesses. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Wichita, Derby, El Dorado, Andover, Hayesville, Augusta, Mauldin, Rose Hill, Clearwater, Douglas, Belle Plaine, Towanda, Oxford, Benton, Udall, Whitewater, Putrin, Albing, Burns, and Viola. This includes the following highways: Interstate 135 between mile marker 0 and 2. Interstate 35 between mile markers 23 and 45, and between mile markers 52 and 79.